So in this class, I'll be taking you through mockups. How you can use smart mockups. So here's the URL. You click it on your browser, smartmockups.com, right? So this smart mockup is where you can you can design, not really design, you have already designed your book, but you want to place it like it's really a book, right? I already have an account, so you can just sign up. Since network is a bit slow. Okay, so you're saying start to announce the closure of whatever, I don't know. So here it is. I already have. So to tell you, upload your image, right? Now upload your image. See, there are different designs. Your book will be in this form. You can use a laptop design, a book design, a t-shirt design, whatever you want, right? Let's try smartphone. So see, smartphone, different ways you want your this thing to show, right? If you see anything pro, you have to pay. Anything pro, you have to pay. So just go for a simple one that you don't have to pay. Let me try this. So image, upload from. If your image is on Canva, you can upload from Canva, but my one is not on Canva, so let me upload from my files. Let me check. I hope I'll be able to see. Okay, so this is one of the designs here. So I've uploaded it. I've uploaded, right? See, can we see? Can we see the way it is? So the picture is showing here on the phone here. Or if I don't want to use that, maybe I just want to use something different. Let me try this. Okay. So let me try this. Reset design. So can you see? Can you see where my design is? I'm trying to enlarge this. I don't know why it's not showing very well. Let me increase the light. So here it is. So you can use any option you want. Let's go back. We actually used smartphone the other time, so I think we can use something else. So this is very easy, right? This is something. Okay, so all mockups. Let me see. Let's see all mockups. Okay. So t-shirts, smartphone, magazine, books. I want to make my own look like a book, right? because I don't have money to give a graphic artist to do it for me. So see different designs of books right here. So they are pro. Don't pick pro. Okay, let me try to use this. Are we following in this class? It's that simple. So it's still booting. It's that simple. It's that simple. Now, for book, bottom spine, bottom book, you have to upload every part, Then you customize top book, right? What you want to be on the top part, the side part, everything like that. Sorry, the network is a bit bad. I think let me pause and continue in the next class.